guys, bay views. Welcome to this beautiful waterfront property located in Kangaroo Point. My name is Barbara Marcinkova from Black Diamonds Property Concierge, and today we're at 29 Kangaroo Point Road, Kangaroo Point.
Discover a very private world upon 1,036 square metres in an absolute waterfront setting with spectacular views over the Georges River. This superb lifestyle property offers a resort-like family retreat with a magical sense of seclusion and blissful privacy. This is one of the few residences in the area to be positioned directly on the water and comes complete with its own first-rate on-site boating facilities. From the street level, there is automated inclinator access that leads from the 3-car garage past tranquil landscaped gardens to the front door. Once inside, the home reveals a light-filled and open interior layout wrapped in floor-to-ceiling windows that take full advantage of the magnificent sunset water views. Wide alfresco terraces offer the perfect spot to relax and entertain friends in gorgeous scenery, plus they overlook the heated saltwater swimming pool and poolside patio. A major highlight of this property is the easy access to a private jetty and pontoon, plus there is an automated slipway. 4 bedrooms include a deluxe master retreat with designer ensuite and private balcony, plus there is an upstairs home office, a well-appointed kitchen and air conditioning throughout. All this combined with a premier peninsula location within minutes to quality schools, shopping centres and transport options. And it offers a magnificent home with an incomparable lifestyle to match.
Thank you for joining me on this video tour. For further information, please do not hesitate to contact me on barbara@blackdiamond.com.au.